Well, I got my Vise in the mail today, and I've been thinking about putting a Vise out in my workbench for a long time, and it's a carpenter's vise, or woodworking vise rather, and so I thought I'd just maybe make a video about it. So let me open this up and see what we got. Okay, well, let's see. Okay, what's on the front here? It's quite heavy. And it's a Yost. It's a 10-inch front vise. It's the model F10WW. And there it is in its glory. And it is quite heavy. Okay, let's take this plastic off and see what it looks like inside. Oh, that's actually kind of a beefy vise. Okay, so let's get a measurement on this thing. So the face plate is about 10 inches wide, and then the guide rods, well, that really doesn't matter, but they're about 18 inches long. And then the main screw, that's about 16 inches long. And this one actually has these collets, which will be good for extra support, because I'm going to be putting a couple of 2x4s in front of this, so it'll actually reduce the depth of the opening. But the way my workbench is built, that's the only way we can do it. And I'm actually kind of surprised, because I looked at all the reviews on this, and it said that they didn't come with instructions, but it does come with some pretty good measurements and some ideas for how to mount your vise. So I think with this information, it should be a breeze to put in. Oh, let's measure the diameter of the handle. Okay, so it looks like it's about 1 1/16 inch diameter for the handle. But so far I'm really impressed. I paid, I think, $70 for this, so and it included shipping, so that's a pretty good deal. Anyway, hey, thanks for watching.